Just went on a little walk with Mr. Stasherson. What are you doing? You're relaxing? You decided to just randomly relax? Show everyone your happy face. Yeah. And I just I took a basket with me so I could pick up some flowers and stuff as we went. I'm really happy to be doing that because then I have, some, nice pretty things in my house that I don't have to buy. And it's not like bad, like there's no signs that says no picking or anything, so let's see. Come on, Stashy, time to go home. Come on. Puppy wrestling.
I know you're not an eater, but do you want to separate your
Yukio, run!
Thank you. Happy birthday. Both of you.
Happy birthday.
Anyway.
fucking breath?
You know how you go to those restaurants and they don't sing you the traditional happy birthday?
Yeah, they do because it's kind of long. You have to do
Yeah.
like the short version
I
at
know.
restaurants.
What are you doing?
Plus, did you know Happy Birthday's copyrighted?
It's copyrighted.
It's crazy.
So ridiculous.
Yeah,
All
someone's
those
making a
years
lot of
we've
money off of Happy Birthday.
Infringing on
Infringing
copyright.
on.
In the cave somewhere.
Anyway,
Ourselves.
Yeah.
Here, there you go.
Can I make a wish?
Do you want the music?
Happy birthday to us there.
4, no, 3.
That was a weird blow.
That was cool.
It's like you were in labor.
Yeah.
Man. She's so cute. What are you doing, friend?
What are you doing?
Friend.
It's like Pinky is a referee.
Pinky is the referee.
Oh, was that mom snoring?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys don't grab.
Yeah.